Today I'm going to teach you how to add an article in Zendesk. This is a great way to build your help center and provide customers with self-service resources that answer their most common questions. Let's walk through this step by step. First, open your browser and navigate to zendesk.com. Once you're there, log into your account using your credentials. Make sure you're signed in with an account that has permission to create and manage knowledge-based content, as this will determine what options you'll see moving forward. After logging in, direct your attention to the top right corner of your screen. You'll notice a grid icon there, which serves as your navigation hub for various Zendesk features. Click on this grid icon, and from the menu that appears, select Knowledge. This is where all your Help Center and article management tools are housed. Clicking on Knowledge will open a new tab in your browser. This keeps your workspace organized and allows you to easily switch between different areas of Zendesk without losing your place. Once the Knowledge tab loads, you'll be in the Article Management interface where you can view existing articles and create new ones. Now look toward the upper left corner of this new tab. You'll see an Add button, click on it, and a drop-down menu will appear with different content types you can create. From this menu, select Article. This initiates the article creation process and opens up the article editor where you'll build your content. You're now in the article editor, which is where the magic happens. Here, you can input your article content directly. Start by editing the title field at the top to give your article a clear descriptive name that helps users find what they're looking for. Then move down to the main content area and input your article text. You can format it, add images, include links, and structure it however best serves your readers. On the right side of the screen, you'll notice the Article Settings panel. This is a crucial area that controls how your article functions within your knowledge base. In the article settings, you can manage who has permission to edit or manage this article, ensuring the right team members have access. You can also control placement, which determines where this article appears in your Help Center structure. Additionally, you can assign an author to the article, set who the content is visible to, whether that's all users, signed-in users, or specific segments. Add content tags to help with organization and searchability. Apply labels for internal categorization, or attach media files like images or documents that support your article content. Take your time here to configure these settings properly, as they directly impact how users will discover and access your article. Once you've finished writing your article and configuring all the settings to your satisfaction, look for the Save button and click it. This will save your article and make it available according to the visibility settings you've chosen. Your article is now part of your Zendesk knowledge base, ready to help customers find answers on their own. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.